It's been 1 week since deadly flooding devastated parts of Middle Tennessee, damaging homes, businesses, and parks. The water also putting a Little League season on hold. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Alex Dennis. Chelsea Vinefor is now in studio with us and how the community is pitching in to help. Chelsea.
Yeah, Alex, the Creve Hall Softball League has been around since 1964, but last weekend's flooding has put a pause on their season.
It doesn't look as bad as it did a week ago.
Muddy fields and mangled fences left behind after last weekend's flooding at Whitfield Park.
We had about 4 feet of water on the ground.
The fences were all down and there was like dirt or all kinds of stuff inside of the fences.
It was like horrible. It's like nothing I've ever seen before.
It's where the Creve Hall Girls Softball League is based.
We normally practice every Tuesday night.
But director Steve Cherico says now their season is on hold.
Obviously, having to push the season back again brings some memories up from last year, so there were a lot of questions. Are we going to get to play? Is this it? Like, are we out again?
After losing a season to the pandemic, these girls are ready to get back out on the field.
We normally just practice on hitting and outfielding and stuff. It's very active and there's a lot of, I get to meet friends on my softball team.
In addition to the fields and fencing, the rushing waters also damaged the concession stand, bleachers, and team equipment. Cherico says it's going to take a lot of money to rebuild.
For equipment and to get the fields back up to par so girls and boys can play this year, it will be $50,000.
In the meantime, players, parents, and kind-hearted people doing what they can to help clean up.
We were like picking up trash. I did get to help Rachel use.
South Nashville has jumped at the opportunity to jump in.
Well, if you want to donate to the Creve Hall Softball League, you can find their GoFundMe up on WKRN.com. Alex.
Such sweet little girls. Chelsea, thank you so much. Well, Cherico hopes that one field could be ready to be up and running next weekend so that their youngest players can get back to playing ball.